Welcome to Work From Home Opportunities for You. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you. Hello, and welcome to another work from home opportunity just for you. Today we're going to be talking about the company ProScan Imaging LLC for the position of Radiology Clinical Support Representative. So ProScan Imaging is seeking 2 full-time clinical support representatives with day and evening availability. Both positions are remote and shifts are available from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. And I was checking through Glassdoor because it doesn't specify here how much you can earn, and you can earn right now they're letting up to $692 per week in this particular position. Your duties and responsibilities will be to answer calls and respond to emails from customers and radiologists. You'll handle customer inquiries by phone, email, or through the company system. You'll perform a variety of tasks according to the standard of operating procedures. You will enter patient information and case notes into the system. You'll research patient case notes and audit trail to complete the case. You identify and escalate priority issues. You follow up with customers and radiologists as necessary, and you'll document information according to the standard of operating procedures. So here's the education and experience that they're looking for the most. You have a high school diploma. A 2-year degree is desirable. So if you have associates or anything equivalent to that, it will be absolutely amazing. It's not absolutely required. It's just desirable. Must be highly proficient in relevant computer applications. Experience in the medical office preferred. So you don't need to have it, but if you have it, it is preferred. And or customer service environment. So if you don't have any medical office experience, you can use your customer service environment experience. You are good at data entry and typing skills. You have knowledge of medical terminology is desirable. Skills requirements: you must be punctual, you must be able to work with a team, you must have the ability to work independently and make decisions, attention to detail, organization skills, must have excellent customer service skills, problem analysis and problem solving, ability to work under pressure, ability to multitask and prioritize assignments, and excellent communication skills such as verbal, written, and listening. So it is full-time, and it does include benefits such as 401k matching, dental insurance, disability insurance, employee discount, flexible spending account, health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, pay time off, vision insurance, and work from home. And it is an 8-hour shift. There's day and evening and night shifts, but in the beginning they were mentioning about the 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. shift that they're particularly looking for 2 people. Again, if you have experience in customer service and you have a high school diploma or equivalent, those are preferred and it will be right for you. I'll put the links right below in the description if you think you're a perfect fit for this one. And if not, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new best work from home remote opportunity just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.